Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to install HandBrake on your computer from the official source. Whether you're using Windows, macOS, or Linux, the process is pretty straightforward. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and search for HandBrake, or go directly to the official HandBrake website. Once you're there, you'll see the latest version available for download. Next, choose the download that matches your operating system. If you're using Windows or macOS, the correct option is usually detected automatically. Linux users can follow the distribution-specific installation instructions provided on the website. Click the download button and wait for the installer to finish downloading. Depending on your internet connection, this should only take a short time. After the download is complete, open the installer file. If your computer asks for permission to make changes, select Yes or Continue with the installation. Then simply follow the on-screen instructions. Keep clicking Next until you reach the Install option. Then choose Install and wait while HandBrake is copied to your computer. Once it's finished, select Finish to close the installer. Now open HandBrake from your desktop. Start menu, Applications, depending on your operating system. The program should open and display the source selection screen, meaning the installation was successful. And that's it. Yeah, you've successfully installed HandBrake, and it's ready to use for converting and compressing your videos. If this tutorial helped you out, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.